has been a technology that is no invasive and no downtime on the market. It's approved to be the most effective technology for the skin lifting, skin tightening, wrinkle remove, and it also works for the body. It is mainly effective for the body shaping and the body contouring and body skin tightening. Many beauty salons already have the HIFU machine. I believe you all know that it almost become a necessary and basic item in most beauty salons and beauty spas. Because you know, if you are a salon owner or a spa owner, you must know that 3 items are the most popular in a beauty spa. First is the skincare, something like the HIFU, and the second is the body slimming. For example, the HIFU also works for body slimming. And the third one is the hair remove. Especially now is the busy season for the hair remove and for the body slimming. So today we introduce the HIFU to you. The HIFU can be also combined with the HIFU as a whole package service for the face skincare. And so now today I will introduce our HIFU machine to you. Now the most popular on the market is the 40 HIFU or the 70 HIFU. If you have been on the market for many years, you must know that the normal HIFU can only shot 1 line for one price. Well, the 40 HIFU we have now, it can shot for 1 to 12 lines for a price. So you can see this is 40 cartridge. The treatment area is bigger, so this one has this point has 2 advantages. First, we can save more treatment time because the treatment area is bigger. Second, it's more effective. The energy is more well distributed because it shot many lines instead of one line by one line. So it's more effective. This is the 40 HIFU cartridge. And for this machine, except the 40 HIFU cartridge, it also has a VMAX work handle. The VMAX, what can the VMAX do? It mainly works for the face area, such as the eye area or the mouth area, because this area skin here are sensitive and there are many nerves. So we use the VMAX cartridge. It can shot 1 point for a price, so it's more comfortable for the customers. This is for the 40 HIFU. The 40 HIFU can treat for both face and body. For the face cartridge, it has 3 depths. We all know that different depths of the cartridge can cure for the different depths in the skin fats. So first for the face, it has 3 standard cartridge: the 1.5 mm, the 3 millimeter, and the 4.5 millimeter. Those are for the face. Among this cartridge, the 1.5 is especially for the forehead, because the forehead, the skin is also thin and sensitive here. So that's all for the face cartridge. And for the body, we have the 6 millimeter, 8, 10, 13, and 16 millimeter. Among this cartridge, the 6 and 8 millimeter, they can cure for the arm and for the leg. And then for the 10 and 13, it mainly works for the abdomen, for the stomach. And for the 16, it's a special cartridge for the very fat people, for people above 100 kilogram. So you can use the 16 first to remove fat, and then use the 13 or 10 millimeter cartridge for the body shaping and the skin tightening. And for the HIFU, as we all know, it's a basic item in beauty salons. But why it's so popular? Of course, it's because the HIFU is very effective, and it's more beneficial. Usually for the skin tightening and the wrinkle removal, it's effective after only one treatment. It means that the customers can see the instant result after only one treatment. So after they saw the result, they can continue the treatment, continue a whole therapy. For a whole therapy, we have to do 3 treatments with 1 month apart in between. So after a whole therapy, the good result can last for at least 18 months to 24 months for both the face and the body results. So that's the therapy. Many salon owners may ask how can I benefit from the HIFU treatment, from the HIFU item. Of course, after the customers see the result, they can pay. They want to pay, and they want to continue the treatment and introduce more clients to you. For the HIFU treatment, usually we charge for customers from the Europe and the US. They usually charge according to the treatment area. Take the face for example. They divide the face into several areas. First is the neck. For the neck, it's mainly for wrinkle removal, and the second for the double chin, because many fat people, they have a very thick double chin. So this is the second area, and then is for the jawline. This jawline shapes our face a lot, so many people do this part. And the next one is for this part, because many people when many people are aged, there has wrinkles here. So this is a popular area. And the next one is for the cheek skin lifting. And then we go upper the eye area, because many people have wrinkles here. And the last one is for the forehead. For the forehead skin tightening and lifting. So these are all the treatment areas for the face. For each area, the treatment charge is around $200. So on the face, we have divided them into various areas. So for a whole face treatment, it will be around $1,000. So if your customers book a whole therapy, or they book a package service with the HIFU, you can give them a discount too. So this you can see from the treatment charge. This HIFU treatment is a very beneficial item. And of course, if you order a machine, and you can earn the cost back after no more than 10 clients, I think, because for each treatment, the treatment charge is above $2,000. So after 10 clients, you can earn the cost back. Yes, that's all for the treatment charge. And many of you may ask how can I operate the machine, because I have no experience and I haven't tried the HIFU treatment before. About the operation and the training, you also don't need to worry, because the HIFU is basic and it's very easy to operate. First, we will also supply the online training. Many other customers have booked the machine from us, and we do the online training. First, we will send you the user manual, so you can read the user manual to learn first, and then we will send the operation video we took. It's on our YouTube channel. You can also contact us before you buy the machine. We can send you our YouTube channel, and you can learn. Yes. Besides the HIFU, we also have the cryolipolysis for fat freezing, the diode laser for hair removal, and the EM sculptor for the body contouring and the muscle building. If you have these machines, and you can also ask us for a user manual or for a training video, we can supply all the information we have to support your business. And okay, sorry, first, this is the second part of our training part, and the third one is that we can we can date online video call to give you a one-to-one online training. If you still don't know how to use it, we can do online training to train you. We have our professional beautician team. So this is the whole process for our training. And also after training, we can also apply the training certificate. You can put it on the wall of your salon or your spa. So it approves that you are after training for the treatment. Your customers will feel free to do the training. Okay, then this is about the operation and the training. Some of customers also said that how long should I change the cartridge? Because you know that the cartridge of the HIFU is consumable. So for our machine, each cartridge has 20,000 shots. It also shows on the machine. It will notice you if all the cartridge, all the shots are run off, then you need to change a new one. Usually for the whole face treatment, we need around 300 to 400 shots. So I have calculated for the face treatment, you can cure for at least 55% or 60% for the HIFU treatment for the face with one cartridge. So you can imagine, you can calculate one cartridge, they can cure for so many person, and one treatment charge at least $200. So the cost will be earned back very soon. Okay, this is for the 4D HIFU. It's almost very basic on the market. What's new? Next, I will bring a brand new technology for the HIFU. It's our new technology. It's the 7D HIFU. I don't know if you ever heard about it, but now let me show you the 7D HIFU. If you still don't have a HIFU, you can directly choose the 7D HIFU because it's the newest on the market. You know, many customers, they also want the newest technology and the treatment. So now let's see the 7D HIFU. Okay, this is the 7D HIFU machine. Why it's called the 7D? Because it has 7 depth cartridge. So the same theory. Different depth cartridge can cure for different body and face areas. And let me show you what's the 7 depth cartridge. This is the deepest one, the 13 millimeter. You can see it's like this, in this way. And now this is we add a 9 millimeter. It's also for the body. And this one is for the face. You can distinguish all the cartridge easily. The 13 millimeter has a bigger area, and the 1.5 millimeter has a small area. So we can use it on the big and small areas, more suitable. The area is more suitable to the treatment parts. So this is very intelligent and easy to operate for the operator. And besides, the amazing part of the 7D HIFU is that it has 2 handles. You can see it has 2 handles. We can prepare one for the backup and use one for the daily regular use. I believe there are a few HIFU machines. They have 2 handles. So this one, it has 2 the same handles. We can use one for backup. And then let me show you the machine screen. First, from the front of the machine, you can see it's the 7D Ultimate. Believe you all have heard about the 7D Ultraformer. It's the world famous brand. Yes, so let's turn on the machine. Okay, enter into the screen part. Same with the 2 handles. There are 2. Okay, the machine has the intelligent voice notice when we choose one handle. When we choose the left handle, it will tell us we will use the left handle. When we choose the right handle, it will also notice us. Please pay attention.
Right hand key selected.
Okay, so we can choose which one we use, and this is this point. Here, it will show which depth cartridge we are using now. Yes, as we just talked, the 7D HIFU is a 1-line HIFU. But its advantage is that it adds the 2 millimeter depth cartridge, and it also adds the 9 millimeter depth cartridge. So these 2 different depths can cure for the parts, the body areas that we cannot cure before. So that is the advantage of the 7D HIFU. And so after this, this means one press we can short 1 line, and then we move on the parameter. First, you can see the draw. It means the energy of the cartridge. Usually the normal or the 4D HIFU, the cartridge can only arrive to 2 joules for the energy. It's the maximum. And well, for the 7D HIFU, we can adjust the energy to 3 joules. So it's more powerful and effective. And this is the energy. Another advantage of the 7D HIFU is that compared to the normal HIFU and to the 4D HIFU, the 7D HIFU is less painless during the treatment. As you know, many people don't want the HIFU because they think it's painful during the treatment. Well, for the 4D HIFU, despite the energy is higher, the treatment feels more comfortable and painless. That's the biggest advantage and the attractive point to many customers. So that's the point. And after the energy, we move on to this. The length is 25 millimeter. What does the length mean? The length means this part, the part that the energy come out. So it means this part from here to here is 25 millimeter. Usually we can see is 2.5 centimeter. So this means the treatment area. Yes, and then the pitch. Pitch means the distance between each point in this line. So this is the pitch. When the pitch is smaller, when the pitch is smaller, it means there are more points in one line. So there are more energy on this line. So it will be more powerful. And this is the pitch and length. Except this, we can see M1 and M2. It's the same principle to the 4D or the 3D HIFU. The M1 and M2 means we can save the treatment parameters. For example, when you have a customer, he is suitable to this parameter. 1.5 joules, 1.4 millimeter for the pitch, and 25 for the length. Then for his next treatment, we can save this parameter and use the same parameter when he comes next time for the treatment. This is the point of the M1 and M2. It's intelligent design to save treatment parameters. This is the modes, and for here is also an intelligent design for this machine, because you can see there is a single, and we can switch it from the single to repeat. Single means we shot one line. I show you. Single means here, this is the start button for the work handle. When we press this button, it will shot one line. And the single means we need to press and then it shot. We need to press, then it shot. And the repeat, it means when we press this button, the cartridge will keep shooting one line, one line, one line. This is a repeating way. So this is the single and repeat. And then next I will show you the energy because we said the machine is more powerful and effective, so we can show you how it shot. First we choose the according working handles.
Right hand key selected.
Okay, we can adjust the energy. And then we spread the ultrasound gel. You know, for all the HIFU treatment, we need to spread the ultrasound gel first before the treatment. Okay. Then press the standby button on the screen. And now we choose the single. Can you see the energy of the machine? We can try one more time. Okay, that's the single mode. How about we change to the repeat mode? You can see. one line, then it repeat one line. So it keep working. It will be more comfortable and relaxed for the operator. This is the repeat mode. Okay, now this is the short test of the machine. If you are interested in more, you can message us and we take a online video call to show you more about this machine and send you the catalog of the more real pictures. And I think some of you also notice this part, the short count information, because the cartridge is a consumable part of the HIFU machine. So many people consider the short count. When we press here, do remember that we use the 3mm cartridge when we just do the short test. So here it will count that the 3mm cartridge has shot for 7 shots already, and this can help us to count how many shots we can use for a whole face treatment for a person or for a whole abdomen for the treatment. So you can know how many shots you will need for each treatment. It can help you to count your benefit too. So just now it counts the number here. If we already know, we can click here, clear. Then it all will be 0. Yes, so this is this function. It's more clear for you to count the shots number and to count your benefit. And then this is all the important points for the 70 HIFU. In the newest technology is the 70 HIFU on the market. Already many of our customers have this machine. Yes, the 70 HIFU, because it can help you to be more competitive in your local market. Because I believe you have saw many 3D or the 4D, or some even use the normal HIFU. Yes, so this 70 HIFU will help you to be more